Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF on iPhone notes, a truly convenient skill for many everyday tasks. First, let's understand why this method is so powerful. It uses tools already built into your device, saving you valuable time and effort. You can quickly add your signature to any document directly from your phone without needing any third-party apps, making the process very straightforward. Start by finding the PDF file on your device, perhaps in your Files app, a mail attachment, or directly from Safari. Next, tap the familiar share icon, which clearly looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. From the menu that then appears, simply choose the Notes application. This action imports your document, making it ready for the very next step in the signing process. With your PDF now visible inside the Notes application, a quick tap anywhere on the document will immediately bring up some additional options. Keep an eye out for the small, circular markup icon, often resembling a pen or pencil tip, usually found in the bottom right corner. Selecting this icon then activates the complete markup toolbar, which appears neatly at the bottom, offering many useful tools. Now, within the markup toolbar, locate and tap the plus symbol, typically found on the far right side. This reveals a helpful menu where you should then select the signature option. You can either draw a brand new signature using your finger or choose from any signatures you have previously saved. Once created or selected, position and resize your signature precisely where it needs to be on your PDF document. After perfectly placing your signature, simply tap the Done button, located in the top right corner of your screen, to finalize all the changes. Your newly signed PDF is now automatically saved and readily accessible within the very same note you used. From here, you have the flexibility to easily share this signed document through email, messages, or various other applications, completing your task efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.